Hello, Tilted Concrete Solutions. I hope you're doing well today. My name is AJ with AJ Marketing Solutions here in Texas, and what I went ahead and did was an audit on your business's online presence. I just wanted to get this video sent over to you to show you how you guys can adjust some of the things that y'all are doing online currently in order to start getting more people to y'all's website and converting those people to actual paying customers. Basically, we want your website to not just be a storefront, but instead be a constant lead generator so that you don't have to depend on someone else to find you new business, like Angie's List, like Home Advisor, Yelp ads, or Google ads, but instead your website is already bringing people in through the door or they're calling you directly. The reason I do this for local businesses is because I want to share information so that you can improve and get more traffic and business. And remember, I'm here to help you to get you much more calls per month. When you use me, I'm here to make your business more profitable. Some things we'll be looking at specifically are content, backlinks, and citations. That being said, let's jump right into it here. Let's start with taking a look at your Google business profile, which is basically a snapshot of what your business is all about, and it can bring you a lot of leads as well if it's done right. So when I searched for Tilted Concrete Solutions, it brought up, actually you have a Google ad up here, and then your Google business profile. This back in the day used to be called a Google My Business. Name, phone number, address listed here, which is called a citation, which we'll talk about in a second. And then it has your website direction, a lot of Google reviews, which is awesome, a great score as well. Looks pretty good. Looks like you put effort into it already, and I really appreciate that because not everybody has. Something else I want to show you while we're on Google is the layout of Google search and what this means to you. If I search for concrete contractors in Houston, not specifically leveling, I apologize, but concrete contractors, you see the sponsored results. That's where you already have that Google ad. Throughout different times of the day, they have these ads posted up. You see this map and then some names listed here. These names are optimized to where they show up in this map pack is what that's called. And those addresses or those are highlighted in pins over here on this map. And then you see a more organic result of what Concrete Contractors in Houston looks like. This map pack is where 30% of your business should be coming from. The organic search should be where 70% of your business is coming from. People, once again, don't like to search through a list of service companies. They usually pick someone who's in the top of the list because it's more convenient and less time consuming. Now we've got your website. Sorry. Got your website, Tilted Concrete Solutions. Have all of your services, about pages, more services. It actually is informative and I appreciate that. More of your services, and then you have everything listed here, which is great. I've seen quite a few websites, especially quite a few concrete websites, and I appreciate the effort that you put into this already. You have a lot of photos. There are some things that we could do to better optimize your online presence here. One thing I see is you guys don't have a lot of content. What this means is you guys don't, that this website does not have enough wording that people searching for tilted concrete or leveling of concrete are looking for in your area. Google loves content, and what I've seen with my experience is that you should have at least 1,500 to 2,000 words on the homepage of your website and about 750 words on each of the other pages, which also depends on your competition's websites. To add to that, we want a lot of keywords in your content. A keyword is anything someone might type into the Google search bar when looking for a particular service or product. The goal is to place keywords throughout your website to tell Google exactly what words you want your website found for. One way we can find keywords that we really want to have on our website is through something like this paid tool I use called Ahrefs. I already put tiltedconcrete.com into my tool, and then I see that you already have 1,100 keywords, which is awesome. Some things that's bringing traffic into your website is going to be keyword or key phrase, best concrete expansion joint material. Brings in 32 visits to your website per month on average. Tilted Concrete Solutions, very specific. Concrete Leveling Houston, a little more vague. Brings in 29 and 23 visits to your website per month respectively, and then so forth and so on. There are some things. Pool leveling near me, driveway expansion joint. These are not bringing in as much as you would like it to. Visits to your website per month. When I go to the next page, we start having keywords that are not really doing anything for you at all. They're not bringing any kind of traffic. So we want to be very specific that you have words that are going to be working for you, not just filling in space. Some other things over here we see is traffic. We see backlinks. We're going to talk about all that stuff later. This is more trust of your website or your URL as well. And we'll talk about that at another time as well. Now let's take a look at another thing that Google likes to look at. Is called backlinks. A backlink is anywhere you find one website linking to another. These links act like an endorsement of your website from others, which Google uses to build trust to your business by seeing other websites directing traffic to your website. It's literally like a contest where the company with the most weighted and trusted backlinks wins. However, not all links are created equal. Backlinks that are relevant to your industry and linked to local websites will work best. We're going to go back to your stats on Google using this tool Ahrefs to figure out how many backlinks you guys have, and in a few we'll go over how many backlinks and keywords some of your competitors have. On average, you have 217 backlinks. What that means for you is that these websites or these web pages have some kind of link that is pointing to your website, which I'm sure you already know because you already have so many, which means that you've already put in some work into it. And somebody's already explained this to you, which is great. So we have your backlinks and keywords shown, but what this tool is also showing is that your online presence is bringing you about 246 visits to your website per month on average. That's pretty amazing comparatively to what I've seen previously, but I'm going to show you what your competitors are doing as well, the ones that are doing better than you. There are a lot of people that are not doing anywhere near as what you're doing traffic-wise per month, but there's always room for improvement, and that's what I'm here for. So we're going to come back to this number, 246 visits to your website per month on average. Now we're going to go over to citations. A citation is anywhere your business name, phone number, and address are shown exactly as per your Google business profile, like what I showed you here. Citations help you rank in the map pack shown earlier. This map back here. When people are searching for a service, which is extremely important for local businesses since these can generate some huge amounts of revenue. Other citations also include directories like Yelp and Better Business Bureau and hundreds of others that you may have heard of. If I go to Yelp, I look up Concrete Contractor, I see some sponsored results. Those are ads once again, and then I see different companies listed here. Name, phone number, address. Once you click into those, you'll see them there. Better Business Bureau, also see an ad right here. Then you see some other companies listed there for concrete solutions or concrete work that people are doing in Houston, and their name, phone number, address listed there. Social media accounts like Facebook and Instagram are great too. The idea is that your brand begins to be found by Google all over the internet. The larger your online presence is, the more Google trusts you. Once Google sees you more often than these competitors, the more likely it is for you to rank above them. We're going to switch gears here. Once your content, backlinks, and citations come together, the goal is to outgrow your competitors. Let's take a look at what your competitors are doing and why making a change is so important for your business through your website. And just as a reminder, Ahrefs, the tool that I use, is a tool. So these numbers are based on their own algorithms. However, the real numbers from Google are actually almost always much higher. Taking a look through your competition, we're going to look at your stats real quick once again. 1,100 keywords, for tiltedconcrete.com, 217 backlinks, and you're getting 246 visits to your website per month. Level Concrete. They do somewhat similar things that you do. They have 1,400 keywords in their website, and then 149 backlinks, which is less than what you're doing, but that doesn't necessarily mean that it's any less valuable, because it's bringing in more trust to their website, because each of those backlinks, like I said before, are weighted or credible. So if you have a very strong website that's been around for a while and they're pointing to your website, then those are the ones that are going to count even more than a backlink or a link from a website that's newer or not as trusted or considered spammy. This website is getting 463 visits to their website per month on average. Tilted Concrete, 246. Level Concrete, 463. Another competitor of yours, Lift Right Concrete, not exactly the same thing, but they do some similar work. They do work on the walkways, patios, driveways. 2,200 keywords into their website, 737 backlinks, some more trust into their website as well. You can build trust faster just by the backlinks and through other things as well, which we can talk about another time. Traffic to their website, 927 versus our 246. 927 visits to their website per month on average. That's amazing. Like I said before, you're doing great. I've seen other websites, many other concrete companies that are not doing anywhere near what you're doing, and I'm sure you're getting the phone calls and I'm sure you're getting business. There is always room for improvement, is what I'm here to show you. So compared to the competition, Lift Right Concrete is getting about 681 more visits to their site per month on average than your website. By generating this kind of traffic through their website and through their Google business profile, let's say the conversion rate of people actually calling their business was just 10%. 10% of the 681 difference in the traffic flow between your two websites is 68 calls. And if they close business deals at around 50% of those 68 calls, which is common for local businesses from this type of traffic, Lift Right Concrete is probably closing somewhere around 34 additional jobs per month just from their online presence alone. I'm not sure what your sales goals are, but I imagine 34 extra jobs per month would generate some pretty decent sales. So this is what I do for a living, and I'm creating this video for you to help you start generating leads online. If you do find yourself wanting more business to continue scaling as far as you want, feel free to reach out and I can help you with some more information. Or we can talk about your goals and I can do some research to find out exactly what could be realistic for your business and what it might take to reach those goals. Whether you use me or someone else, at the end of the day, I just want to help out local businesses. It's a huge passion of mine. Also, if you could, please leave some feedback about this video or information provided today. Again, my name is AJ, and feel free to reach out as my door is always open. My phone number is 281-851-6265, and my email is ajms4you@gmail.com. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope this helps, and have a great rest of your day.